At those aerodromes equipped for low visibility operations, taxiways are equipped with green centerline lighting. Otherwise, blue edge lighting is provided. Where green centerlines exist, blue edge lights may supplement them, providing additional guidance on sections of taxiway that are difficult to negotiate. Green centerline lights may be provided on the runway just prior to an exit taxiway in order to give lead-off guidance. Aprons and holding areas are usually delineated by blue lights. Taxiway lighting is designed to provide pilots with information and guidance during the taxi to and from the runway. It will consist of centerline lights, edge lights, guard lights, and stop lights at holding points. Taxiway edge lights are intended for use at night and are to be of variable intensity, show blue, and show all around and up to 30 degrees above the horizontal, such that guidance is provided to a pilot taxiing in either direction. At intersections or bends, the lights may be shielded to prevent confusion. If effective floodlighting over a large area is provided, edge lighting may be dispensed with. As we have said, taxiway centerline lights are green and are designed for use in runway visual range conditions less than 350 meters or aircraft operations at night, and are to provide continuous guidance from the runway centerline to a point on the apron where the aircraft start parking maneuvers. Runway guard lights are pairs of alternately flashing yellow lights. A pair will be placed either side of the taxiway to warn of the close proximity of the runway. If the taxiway is wider than normal, the guard lights may stretch across the full width of the taxiway. These lights are sometimes called wigwags. Lighted stop bars and lead-on lights are provided at those aerodromes authorized for low visibility operations. A stop bar consists of a row of lights spaced equally across the taxiway, normally at right angles to the centerline, and showing red towards the approaching aircraft when lit. Stop bars are normally installed in association with green lead-in lights, which form part of the taxiway centerline lighting beyond the stop bar. They are linked so that when the stop bar is on, the green centerline beyond the stop bar is off, and vice versa. They are, in a way, traffic lights, and the pilots must not cross illuminated stop bar lights. At aerodromes where Cat 2 and Cat 3 operations take place, or where ground movement requirements are complex, a surface movement guidance and control system may be installed to regulate ground traffic. The system selectively switches on and off the taxiway centerline lights so that individual sections or routes ending in stop bars are illuminated in order to show the way ahead. At some aerodromes, where multiple intersecting taxiways are not provided with a selective route guidance system, taxiway intersection lights are installed. These consist of a row of at least 3 steady yellow lights disposed symmetrically about the taxiway centerline. Pilots should give way to crossing traffic unless instructed otherwise by ATC. On infrequently used taxiways, blue reflective edge markers and green centerline studs may be positioned instead of lighting systems. Although it's unlikely, you might come across unpaved taxiways, but these may be illuminated with blue portable taxiway edge markers or have the area floodlit. Portable white lights may be used to mark the boundary of a manoeuvring area on a grass aerodrome, for example. A road holding position light shall be provided at each vehicle road holding position serving a runway when it is intended that the runway shall be used in runway visual range conditions of less than 350 meters, and vehicles still require access across the runway. This light shall either be a conventional traffic light, red for stop and green for go, or a flashing red light indicating do not pass. The light shall be controlled by ATC. The light shall be adjacent to the hold position markings 1.5 meters from the roadside edge.